How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to show you guys some light upgrades that I got from my P11. Now I'm already running some HIDs on my headlights. So the ones that I have on here are 6K, and I also have HIDs on the bottom of the fog lights, which are also 6K. Now I've been wanting to upgrade these to LEDs because the HIDs, even though they are bright, I have a lot of issues with them flickering, and then sometimes one of them doesn't turn on. So I'm just gonna completely swap these HIDs to LEDs. So I was already in the middle of doing this, but I decided, to film it so that I can show you guys what I'm doing. So this is the stock setup that I had for the fog light. As you guys can see, I already removed it. If you guys are curious about how to remove this, I'll go ahead and leave a link to a video that I did in the past. And it pretty much shows you how to remove the fog light without breaking the little corner piece right here. I don't have that because I'm going to be swapping out the whole front end, as you guys might already know. So we're going to leave that like that for now. So this is the fog light, and on the back, this is an H3 light bulb that this takes. So I ended up getting this right here. This is the fog light LED. I've read really good reviews about this on Amazon, so I decided to go this route. It's more like a amber, like a bright yellow JDM color. These are the high beams right here. This is an H1 for my particular vehicle because I have the JDM headlights. But if you guys are doing this, you're gonna need an H4, I believe, for the stock headlight bulb. So I have these right here. Sorry, kind of don't have the camera pointed in the right angle here. So these guys, I've read really good reviews about these online as well. I'll go ahead and leave a link to these and where I got them on Amazon. So I'm excited to try these out. I'm going to install these really quick and give you guys a demonstration of how they look. Really quickly, before I show you guys the light output between the LEDs and the HIDs that I have on the vehicle, I wanted to show you guys something interesting. So as you guys can tell, this right here is the HID setup that I had on the vehicle, and this is what I'm replacing it with. So basically this is going to be replacing all of this wiring and all of these modifications that I had to do to make this work. And this basically is just going to go right there, those two black wires. Those two red wires are gonna line up right there, and then they'll mount up to the back of the headlight, which is awesome, right? So you don't have to worry about the ballast ever going out or something going on with the wiring or having to do modifications to make it fit. It's all one little compact little unit. It's just awesome. So hopefully this LED does good and it outperforms the HIDs. Enough for me talking. Let's go ahead and show you guys a comparison. I'm only going to show you guys the comparison on this side and that side. So LEDs on this side and HIDs on that side, so that you guys can see kind of like a difference. Alright guys, so I took the vehicle out to my neighborhood in a pretty dark road right here. So I already have the lights mounted right here. So can you tell the difference? It's a little bit hard to focus here because of the camera. This is my phone recording, so you can't really tell too much. But I'll go ahead and change the settings so that you can actually see what I'm seeing as far as the color of the fog lights. But just a general idea of here of pretty much what the light put is. So if I cover up the driver's side right here, this is what you're seeing coming off of the LED right here. So you can't really tell, like I said, too much on the phone. I'll try to adjust the settings right now in a bit so that you guys can get a better idea. So let me go ahead and cover the other one right here. So that's the HID right there. So like I said, yeah, it does look a lot brighter, honestly. So I've messed with the settings a little bit. This is kind of like what I'm seeing in person right here. So it's a bright yellow color. It looks pretty cool, honestly. It gives it a nice color to the vehicle. I'm gonna do it to both sides, but I wanted to just make this video just to kind of show you guys how these guys look on the vehicle. You guys won't be able to see anything because I dropped the ISO pretty low so that you guys can get an idea of what color that is. But yeah, this was a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Peace out.